my name is Johan Stein and I'm the designer at TP Products. Today I've got with me the new rocket stove. Everything comes in this little square you see here, 120 by 120 mils by 5 mm high. And I'm going to show you how it works, and I'm going to sim it for you to just show you how efficient and easy it is to use this baby. Come with me.
It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together.
And your small sticks. Start.
I'm just sitting here.
Just adding some small pieces of paper. Keep the system going.
From up here.
Small baby. You want small little sticks, timber, kindle, and another small piece of paper just to get a nice and up and running.
You and me, we're meant to be.
Okay, so the question has been asked, is this baby steady? Well, I can tell you, it's steady, so I guess I'll have to show you to prove it to you. Nice soccer ball. Let's see. Oh, it's falling over. Yeah, nice. Oh, it's fantastic. Unbelievable. Yeah, so I guess it's fairly steady if the kids are playing around the ball. Please guys, if you don't mind, please hit the like and subscribe button on our TP Products website. It really helps us, small businesses, to create more content and to grow our audience. Thank you very much.